With our smaller 21-inch Sanyo TVs, we also have a wall mount, which means the stand can be removed and the TV can be placed directly on the wall. The HDMI connection can be found here, and make sure that you put this in first before connecting any media player. There are also options for a VGA input, a SCART, an antenna input, and there are more options around the side here. So with the Sanyo TVs, the blue light will indicate it's powered. Use the remote or the side button on the TV to then turn the TV on. Turn on the media player using the remote that comes with the media player, and a blue light will be indicated, and you should see the following screen appear. It's a really good idea to place the remote close to the media player to make sure that it works properly, and you can scroll through the various different options that are available to you. In this instance, we're going to set up for movies. If I press OK, find my storage device, which is a USB. OK this again, and I will point out that sometimes you can find extra files here. Make sure that you select the one that you've titled, and it's a good idea to only put one video file on your USB. So if I select this, press OK, then I should be able to play my video, and I can stop or pause at any point. Should you wish to repeat your video, which is recommended, press the repeat button and toggle through to repeat 1. This means you are repeating that video track, and we recommend that you only have one piece of video on your USB drive. If you press OK to select the video output mode, and then you can scroll down and select the mode of your choice. We recommend HDMI 1080p 50 Hz. Press return to return to the menu. Also, you can change the language to your preferred language. Click OK on the remote and change this to the language of your choice. Please try to remember to return this back to English afterwards. Press return to go back to the menu, and return to go back to your video. You can change the aspect ratio of the TV if you go to menu on the TV remote, the Sanyo remote, scroll across right to picture or feature, and then scroll down to default zoom, and then you can toggle through the options of 4:3, panoramic, 14:9 and 16:9 for your desired aspect ratio.